Hi, welcome to our tutorial series on SwiftUI. In this video, I will show you how to add a freeform drawing board, chat and video calling to your SwiftUI app. We will use the Apple's Pencil Kit framework, equipped with an intuitive canvas and rich set of tools for making handwritten notes and sketches. For the messaging and video calling part, we will use Streams Chat and Video SDKs. So let's begin with a starter SwiftUI project and settings. I will show you how to install and configure the Streams Chat and Video SDKs for iOS. We will look at an overview of Pencil Kit. Then I will show you how to implement the drawing canvas. And finally, we will test on both iPhone and iPad. If you have ever used the Apple's Freeform drawing app on iOS for making notes or making some sketches, that means you have experienced Pencil Kit. Pencil Kit is a freeform drawing framework from Apple that allows the implementation of low latency drawing in macOS, iOS, and visionOS apps by capturing and displaying drawing inputs from the user's finger and also Apple Pencil. Let's put a period here to see the other options. We have default. If you want to draw with pencil only, we have this option. But we also need finger input, so we select the option any input. With any input, you can capture Apple Pencil input as well as an input from the finger. I will pick any of the drawing tools here and also choose a color and make some notes. Then I will save it to the Photos library and initiate a new chat. Thanks for watching this video.